Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this plastic hand grip. We want to open a new part and starting with front plane. In fact I want to start with top plane now. And I just placed here a line which is with midpoint option in the middle of the origin. When I give 200mm dimension, 100 will be here, 100 will be at the other side. That's why I made midpoint relations, construction geometry, and here a line. This line will be symmetric on this construction line, and length will be 16, and the dimension from here will be 35. And for a tangency I'm putting here a construction geometry. After this operation we just make a mirror and radius, arc and midpoint and tangency. Here also tangency, let's give. This will be 45, and after this operation it becomes fully defined. And mirror entities, we select object to mirror at the other side. The first operation is done. Front plane, now I'm going to create a sketch. There will be two spline here. Sorry. One. Outer spline. Let's define it first. It's 15 degrees. 15 degrees on both sides. The 250 tangency value. This value is a unitless value, the millimeter or somethings. It pairs. We made it fully defined, and now the second going to be placed here, and then I am changing my control points, and then 10 degree, the other 10 will be placed here. After this operation we just give 170 tangency value, 170 tangency value. Only thing that we are going to make last relation. As you see, it is fully in black. On the right plane now we're just going to create a last sketch, and we are having circle, and we got it half. On this line we're adding a pierce, and with this point and this spline add one more pierce, and the profile is done. We can go further with loft. First profile, second profile, and this is third profile. Yes. And then the control guide curves in and out. This is what we are searching for. After this operation we are going to create here radius 2 and holes for connection from top plane. We look and we create here a rectangle. Select chain, I'm selecting everything. 40mm wideness and 144mm center and 5 times 4 times circle, and I'm selecting all circles while my control button is pressed, and then giving 5.2 diameter and extrude cut through all. And again at top plane we just convert all circles, selecting all of them, 3 mm offset out, and construction geometry, base geometry are going to be a construction geometry. And then we just say to our cut extrude with offset. First let's make 10 offset from the beginning circle plane, top plane. We made a 10 mm offset, and we start after that point to cut. We can make it 8 also. This is what we are searching for. There can be little radiuses here. Yes, this was a nice loft example. I hope you like it. If you like, please press like button and make comment for my videos, and thank you for watching.